Today, I'm going to show you how to check if someone is online on Snapchat. It's super easy and can help you stay connected with your friends. Let's jump right in. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in on the main camera screen. Next, swipe right or tap on the chat icon in the lower left corner to go to your chat screen section. Now here's where you can see your friend's activity. If a friend is online, you might see typing next to their name when they're sending a message. This is a clear indicator that they're active. If you want to see if someone is online in a more visual way, you can check the Snap Map. Go to the Snap Map, pinch or zoom out on the camera screen or tap the map icon. Here you can see who are active. As you can see, this person was active 5 hours ago and this was 11 hours ago. You can see like this whoever is active, and also if you've had recent interaction with your friend, you can see the last time they were active by checking the timestamp under their name in your chats. And that's it. Those are some easiest way to know if someone is online on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.